Illusion CAD channel is all about learning. Civil, interior, mechanical, electrical, architectural CAD. Softwares from basic to advanced for technical and non-technical students. Illusion CAD is also providing app facility for online course and details drawings for working. Mr. Sahil gives professional level training and also he provide live projects, training, learn, detailed architecture drawings and interior detailed drawings, section elevation, electrical design, etc. Join our 3 months professional course and also you can join 6 months diploma in interior design with Gulf Country details. Subscribe to our channel and keep watching our latest videos on various design softwares. For more information about all professional interior and KD courses through our institution, feel free to contact us on 888-12-6277-284 00170356.
Also, it helps to calculate the total cost of the doors and windows, and also we can get the complete detail of the door and windows, that how much we are using in our planning, total number of doors and window, that we can get the complete information with the help of the door window schedules. And also it helps to 3D visualizer that which types of door we have mentioned in our drawing, because every 3D interior is depend on the 2D details. In 3D software, we design a little part of the object on the basis of the 2D part. If we are mentioning this types of door, then also we can mention on the basis of the catalogs and AutoCAD. We will take the base from the CAD. So if we are mentioning these types of door in our drawing, then it's important to mention this category, these types of door in our 2D part. We will take from the door window schedules. It may be a door, window. Also I'm using these types of window in our 3D software. Then these types of window we will mention in 2D software. So also it helps for costing purpose, for site work, for designing, or for 3D visualizer. Door window schedule. So the point is process, how to design a door window schedules, how to mention every detail of the door and window schedules. So first of all, let's have an example. So now this one is our door. So first of all, we will make a copy of this part from our drawing and paste out of the object. So now this one is door. So we will mention door with wall. Trim extra part of the object and delete extra object. So a little bit size of the door we will mention with door, and delete all extra lines like grid lines and dimensions and hatches. So now this one is door plan. So the category of this door is D3. D3 is a washroom door, right? So first step, design a detailed door plan for door window schedules. So this one is our door and wall. Second step, put the wall hatch in walls. So we will select the ANSI 32. Pick point, pick inside wall, and increase the size of the pattern, like it's 1.0. So we will increase approx 3.0 and change the color of the pattern and use the transparency and close. At the end of the wall, we will not close with line. We will mention like this one is continuous part. So mention continuous symbol at the end of the wall. So this symbol we can create with the help of the break line symbol. Select and move. So this symbol is very important for continuous purpose. So our wall is also continue, but there is no need to show the complete wall here. Mention the tag like this one is door plan and decrease the size of the text according to your object. You can choose your own size and also change the color of the text. We will use a different. So now this one is door plan is D3 and D3 is fixed with walls, patterns and continuous sign. So important point is it's very important to measure the size of the door. So mention the dimensions and decrease the font and arrow symbols. Select dimension and type CH enter, and in object property we can see the lines and arrows option. There are a lot of options, so we can decrease the size of the arrow like it's 2 inches, and also text in text option we can decrease the size up like 4 inches and close. So now this one is D3 and door plan, and the size of the door is 2 feet 6 inches around, maybe depending on the size. Second point, also important, if we are mentioning a door plan, then also there should be a door elevation. So how we can create the door elevation? So door elevation we can design with the help of the construction line. Like this one is Excel. The command is Excel enter construction line. Excel enter H and V. H means horizontal, V means vertical. Simple. So Excel enter and V for vertical. So choose your door projection lines. Draw a line and specify height of the door. Like we will use approx 7 feet. And trim all extra lines. One point is also important. If you are going to design any door for a door and window schedule, so it's important that you should know the complete detail of the door, like types of door information is also important. You should know types of windows also. You should know what types of windows we can mention in our drawing, what types of door that we can mention in our drawings. So any idea? Tell me 6 types of door name and 6 types of windows name. Tell me first.
Sir, door types, sir, or
Door types and windows type.
we'll use a T-code door, sir.
Sorry, again repeat.
T-code doors.
T-code doors. Second,
In market presently, I think so. PVC doors I came, sir.
not market basis.
It is local.
PVC door, wooden door. There are a lot of names that are available in the market. But a standard door name, please. Standard door name.
No idea, sir.
Windows name.
UPVC windows, sir.
Second,
Grill windows. We can place grill windows also.
but nowadays, what types of window we can use? most common Windows name.
Frame windows we will use, sir.
Frame window. Okay. So if you are an interior designer, a architecture, a civil engineer, so it is very important that we should have a different types of knowledge about the architecture part and the interior part. Architecture part means there are a lot of different types of doors and windows name. Standard doors and windows name also we should know. It's compulsory. So doors and windows name. First point is that if we are designing any door, so every detail of the door and the window we will mention on the basis of the catalogs. And in catalogs we can get the complete detail of that part, like types of door, door name, door material, door thickness, and company name also. So in catalog, example, this one is catalog, door catalog, and in catalog we can see the complete detail of the door. So with the help of this catalog we can purchase our product from the market easily, which our client will be select from that part. Also you can choose the any door design from this catalog. So in catalog you can see there are a lot of options, like this one is this types of door, linear, premium loft. These types of door we design, and also you can see the complete specification of the door, dedicated door frame, door specifications and finish, and these are the types, models, design also we can say, materials. These are all types of doors. So it's very important that every door that we are going to mention in door and windows, it should be on the basis of the catalogs. It should be based on the catalogs. So example, let's have an example, like this one is our door, right? So if we mention these types of door in our door window schedules, then first of all we will design a simple structure of that. So this one is the height and width of the door, and the design you can see model 1.1. So it's not important that we have to design every minor detail on the basis of the dimensions. No, it's not compulsory. So we can mention like these types of door in catalog as this design. So you can mention manually, like this one, top part of the object and the bottom part of the object, right? So it's not important that we will design every part of that object, right? But design we will select from the catalog. So this one is compulsory, right? So this one is D1. Also we will use the tag, sorry, D3, mention tag. Also we will mention the size. So this part is important for me, not design, and match same size. Second, also we will mention the bottom finish and the top finish. So this one is bottom and top. In bottom finish we will mention like this one is FFL, finish floor level, right? So we will represent with the FFL, and the top portion is called the LBL, lintel beam level. match text font and place. Door plan and door elevations. Also we will mention the door name, like this one is door, this door name is Murano, so you can mention door name and decrease the size of the font. Close in box. So this is the method. So it's a very simple part. First, design a door plan, and second, design a door elevation. Also, we can create this part with detail if you want to mention in this types of detail in much more typical detailing. So we can work with different types of material. So also we can mention the complete information about the door, about the material and everything. Like this one is MDF board finished with laminate. So if you want to work with detailing, so you can go with this part. So this one is MDF board finished with laminate, this one is groove profile, this one is milky white veneer polished, and this one is metallic bronze handrail. So it's not compulsory that you have to design like this. It's all depend on your creativity, but how you can mention the detail of that object. Process will be the same.
For interior purpose, it will be useful also.
Yeah.
Interior purpose.
Yes. Also, it will be very useful for our interior part. Also, our 3D designer can work easily on the basis of this part. He will get every detail of that part when he will design in 3D software. Like this one is door okay, door height, door width. Also he can get that complete material from this part. So that's why we mention every detail of the part in architecture. So this one is name, types of materials, groove profile, veneer, metallic, and this one is door plan. So same process. With the same process we will design every detail. Like this one is D1. Also we will create the D2 and D3 and D4 and D5. The process will be the same. There will be no change. It may be a D2. Also it may be a D3, a D4. Yeah, it may be a D1. But the process will be same. First create a plan. Second one is elevation with material details and dimensions. Right? Same process for windows we will use. If you want to mention a window part, a window detail in your drawing, then same process we will follow. Like first of all, make a copy of that part from the planning and mention with windows with walls, and match wall lines and also important to mention the size of the windows. So this part is very important, and match size. Also we will use the continuous sign in plan of the door and the windows. So it is very important. At the end of the wall we will mention the continuous sign. Make a copy of this part and paste from the end to first and delete. Also mention door hedge, sorry, wall hedge. So I think there's something is wrong with our plan. So close every boundary of that part. Again fill this one and this one. Oof. Something is wrong, so we will close the window area, right, and also we will close the endpoint. Now again we will use the hash command, not this one and this one, right, and delete this part. So this one is like, we will assume like this one is W1. Mention the tag of the window, like this one is window 1. Rename W1. So tag is very important. And size. Also mention door plan. It's not important that we have to mention the complete name of that part. This one is door plan, yeah, window plan. Also we can mention in simple word, this one is plan. Same process also we will use here, like Excel enter and V enter. Same process, draw a line and mention the height of the window, like we will use approx. We will use the cell height to 6 and remaining size we will use around 4 to 5 feet. So this one is total size of the window, first part, and the bottom part we will use a sill height to 6 to 3 feet. Again extra part trim. So this one is our window. Create your frame of the window and mention every single detail of that part.